So guys, here's my proposal video. This is how I proposed. She came in, she was surprised. She was never expecting it. I was on my knees. The guys were there. Dorime was playing. She was blushing. She came forward. I said, I got you. I got you. I got you. You know I got you. I told you I was going to get you. And then the guy brought the ring in the tomahawk box, smoky and everything, opened the ring. She saw it was diamond, gold diamond, and then everyone was screaming. Wow. I did the sign of the cross, man, to put it in her hand. It wasn't easy, man. I said, man, I have to kiss this girl. She's already my girl. Everybody was shouting, kiss, 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 kiss. They were shouting, kiss, kiss, kiss. And the guy brought the wine. The Lebanese guy said we should cross our hands. And then we finally kissed. I said, man, that's my girl. Gave us some meat. And then we crossed our hands. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Cheers.